NASA finally finds evidence of life on Mars. Newspunch Sean Altabatabai reports that NASA has finally found proof of alien life on Mars following the discovery that the red planet once had an atmosphere similar to ours, similar to Earth. The Curiosity rover found high levels of manganese oxides on the rocks on the surface of the planet, which NASA say strongly suggests that life on Mars existed in the past. This is according to Express UK reports. Another recent finding includes proof of ancient lakes on Earth's closest neighbor, Mars, as well as the belief that water once flowed freely there. The discovery of the manganese oxides could be the strongest clue that life once existed, as they are formed here on Earth by atmospheric oxygen or microbes. This is according to Nina Lanza, the planetary scientist at Los Alamos National Laboratory in New Mexico. As she said, now we're seeing manganese oxides on Mars, and we're wondering how the heck these could have formed. These high manganese materials cannot form without lots of liquid and water and strongly oxidizing conditions. Here on Earth we had lots of water but no widespread deposits of manganese oxides until after the oxygen levels in our atmosphere rose. One potential way that oxygen could have gotten into the Martian atmosphere is from the breakdown of water when Mars was losing its magnetic field. It's thought that at this time in Mars history, water was much more abundant. With no magnetic field to protect the surface of Mars, ionizing radiation split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, and the former then began being released as Mars' gravity is weak and hydrogen is extremely light, which meant that the hydrogen atoms floated away from the planet Mars. However, oxygen atoms are much heavier and speed into the rocks, giving Mars the rusty look it has today. Lanza continued, it's hard to confirm whether this scenario for Martian atmosphere oxygen actually occurred. But it's important to note that this idea represents a departure in our understanding of how planetary atmospheres might become oxygenated. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.